Hey girl, welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. This is Habiba here coming to you from my beauty dresser. Hello, how are you? I hope you're staying warm. What's up? We are planning to have some snow. Well, not we are planning, but according to the forecaster, snow is predicted on Sunday, so I'm really excited again. Anyway, this video is on unboxing, and this is the most unusual unboxing I've had in a long time, if not ever. Okay, but first let's freshen up with a little Chanel lipstick. Yeah, this is the most quirky, maybe age inappropriate unboxing I have done. You gotta wait and see. And you probably saw the title, so you might have a clue. But before I show you that box, I'm going to share some earrings that my mom gave me. Look at these. This is like a V shaped, and it's got this gold detail, and it's got these white threads, and it's giving me vacation vibes. What do you think? It totally doesn't go with the outfit I'm wearing. I'm wearing some very regular schmegular clothes, but I just want to try on these earrings and let me know what you think. So yeah, we are going to have snow here in North Carolina. Clearly you can see from my face I like how the earrings look so far. Maybe I'll wear it on snow day instead of somewhere on the beach with nice weather, warm weather. Yeah, I don't know, what do you think? So yeah, my mom said she got this from Shein, and you know Shein is rather inexpensive, but I think these are really fun. She felt like they wouldn't suit her and that they would suit me better. So I'm not complaining. I like them. All right, let's try on the second pair. These are some yellow. They're like hoops on the side, and then they've got these yellow threaded tassels. And I really like these a lot too, because you know yellow's my favorite color. Ooh, look how bright they are, right? Super cute. And again, they would look so much nicer with an appropriate colored dress, like just something in sharp contrast, one solid color. I could see wearing this with an orange dress or a white dress or even black actually, right? That's fun. All right, and then this is the last pair. And this is giving me kind of evening vibes for some reason. I don't know, what do you think? The color is really bright, and I guess you could wear it anytime really during the summer, but I just don't know. It's giving me evening vibes. But not bad, right? Again, with the right outfit. Not bad. So yeah, let me know what you think. So which is your favorite? The red pair, the white pair, or the yellow pair? Which one do you prefer? Like if you could get it right now, which one would you want? Okay, so this unusual unboxing, unusual for me that is. And this is a package from Betsy Johnson. When I say Betsy Johnson, what comes to your mind? For those who don't know, she's an American fashion designer. And I think of quirky, I think of colorful, I think of wild child. She's always doing these like splits, or she's known for doing splits down the runway. This lady is like 79 years old as of right now. She's 79 years old, okay? And she has so much energy, and I love that. And she dances to the beat of her own drum. Very colorful character. Anyway, so this package, the theme is telephone. Let's talk a little bit about the telephone. I want you to think back at your earliest memory of a telephone. What did that telephone look like? And where was it located in your house? So when I think of telephone, which by the way was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876, at least that was the first time he patented it. Patented it. Yeah, that was the first time, 1876. And as you know, if you've lived a long life, the telephone has totally evolved. We've gone from things that don't even look like a telephone, at least compared to the telephones today. And then there was the rotary telephone. which many of our parents and grandparents remember. And I mean, I grew up with a rotary phone in the house. And then I remember when the cell phone, basically the personal cell phones were introduced, which apparently was back in the 70s they were developed, but they didn't really come out till the 80s. How many of you had a Nokia phone or phones that looked like, those little gadgets back then? Anyway, this is the invoice. It cost me about what, $89 or $84, 80 something dollars basically. Although it actually comes or retails for over $100, but I used a discount code to get it. So, yeah. And again, I want to say, I know to most people, this bag is not age appropriate for me. But it's perfect for me because it's quirky, it's bright, it's happy, it's cheerful, it makes me smile. And it's unusual, and you won't believe that it actually works. So I was like pleasantly surprised, honestly. I just thought this bag looked happy. And I ordered this back in like July of 2021. So the down is that it took forever to get to me. I was like, man, they have forgotten my order, or they've taken my money and they're not sending it to me, because I literally didn't get it till like November. Can you believe that? I ordered it in July. I didn't get it till like November, which, as a spoilt American, that seems like a very long time. Anyway, I finally got it, and I thank God for it. And as you can see, it has all these like interesting functions. It's wireless, retro, telephone, handset. And yes, it actually works, and it's really cool. So even if I never step foot outside with it, every time I look at this bag, it's going to make me smile. What's cool is I think they come in different sizes, and they actually come in different colors. So I think there's a black version, which doesn't look as loud, like you could literally wear it out. I mean, you can wear this out too. Like I would have Miriam wear this, but I know she would never wear this. This is me. This is not Miriam. Miriam would never wear this. This is not conservative enough for her. And she probably is going to tell me that it looks crazy. Actually, my mom saw the bag and she was like, this is like when, the Jamaicans saying, when dog have money, him go buy gold teeth. Basically, she was telling me, you know what you could have done with that $100? But I don't care because this makes me smile, like I said. So I'm showing you that this bag has a lot of storage. As you saw, the inside has a lot of storage, and so does the outside. And I love the gold hardware. Super cute. So how many of you like Betsey Johnson, or maybe you've never heard of her before? I don't know. But she's definitely known for fashion clothes or fashionable clothes. A lot of like animal print mixed with flowers and tulle. Very fun kind of outfits. And also even baby clothes, because my first Betsey Johnson outfit was actually a baby outfit for Miriam. It was so unusual. The prints were so loud, and I just thought, wow, that's different for a little girl to wear black and to have all these bright colors. And also, I'm just pointing out, the inside. Look at that gold hardware, which is so pretty. It says Betsey Johnson on there. Trivia, but Betsey Johnson, actually, I'm not surprised, but her birthday is August 10th, so she turns out she's a Leo. And like I mentioned before, the woman is 79 years old. And you would think, based on the way she acts, you would honestly think she was like 30s. I mean, of course, she looks older than 30, but I'm just saying, the way she acts, you would think she was much, much younger. And okay, so that's like a keychain holder inside that they included. They also include a USB charging cable, which is also kind of neat. I mean, when was the last time you bought a bag that includes a USB charging cable? So I'm just going to go ahead and unwrap that, and let's see how this phone system works, or phone bag actually works. Basically, she's not just pretty, but she's actually functional. Oh my goodness. This is definitely one of the most unusual bags I've ever owned. So I'm going to try her on at some point for you to see. But I also want you to see the instructions that it came with, which I figure I better read before I try to charge the phone, because I actually wasn't sure how it worked. But yeah, the instructions are not that bad, pretty simple. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and charge the phone. So I'm plugging in the USB charging cable, and then the same, same thing that you would use for your cell phone, just plug that in and charge. So the first time you charge the phone, it actually takes about 4 hours, apparently. I kind of did it overnight, and then the next day it was functional. It also has like a power on button. Oh, I was so excited. I just thought this was the goofiest thing. Okay, so let's try it on. So as you can see, the straps are long, so you can wear it crossbody. What do you think? Again, like I said, I'm not wearing the right outfit for this phone bag, but I don't know. Maybe some of you might think there is no right outfit. But I don't know. I really like it. And it's just, it just reminds me of the whole vintage telephone and the history and my childhood. So that's why. But realistically, I might wear it without the phone. You see, I'm wearing it without the phone, the actual phone piece. So it's just the strap. That's not bad, right? And this is actually the following day after the phone had charged. I tried it on. And here's a close-up of it. I love the rotary area where the numbers are. Do you remember like sticking your finger in those as a kid and turning it? Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's charged. The red light will go to blue. And I like that it's actually the size of a real phone back then. So I just turned it on. And now let's see. First, you're going to go to settings on your phone, or I went to the settings on my phone and then touch the Bluetooth function. And then what happens, it kind of, it turns on and you see that code NFXSL. Now the phone and my cell phone are in sync.
Let's see if it answers with this.
Let's see if Kenton can hear.
Hello? 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 Can you hear me? That's so funny. So I'm not talking to you from my cell phone. I'm talking to you through that handset from the bag. Yeah, that Betsy Johnson bag that I got. It actually has a handset, and I wanted to see if it works, so I guess it works. It's like your cell phone will still ring, but then you can pick up with this actual handset. You have no idea what I'm talking about, right? All right, so just stay on the phone and I'll come out. Wait, hold on, let me put this in here. Yeah.
So me pretending to have a conversation with my girlfriend. Yes, you. Back in the day how we used to do on the phone. All the facial expressions, all of that, all the extraness. Yep. Anyway, this is me telling you do what makes you happy. This is not about me selling you a Betsy Johnson phone. I don't care if you buy the bag or not. I bought this bag with my money. So it's really just about do what makes you happy and stop worrying about what people think. Stop worrying about judgment. Stop trying to be like everyone on Instagram or everyone on YouTube or whoever it is that you're looking at. Do what makes you happy. Try to be your authentic self and not a copy of somebody else. So on that note, have a wonderful rest of the week, and I really appreciate you watching this. And hey, my bag looks good in my office, even if I don't wear it, and that's my prerogative. Bye.